Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since we've done a car video on B26354, but like I said, we're going to do the oil pan, and guess what? It's a lovely winter's day in Colorado. You know, that cold weather. Oh, it's terrible. Terrible. You know, I shouldn't talk much because Sunday apparently we're going to get really slammed with a lot of snow, which, okay, fine. But I just got the oil pan off. There's no reason to show you how to take the oil pan off. I think that's kind of self-explanatory. So, got the oil pan off. I doubt this thing's been off since it was put together. So let's see how much garbage is down here. So I drained the oil. Still got some oil in there. But let's see how much dirt, how much gunk could possibly be in there. I'm doing this for the first time, so you're seeing this for the first time. I'm seeing it for the first time. Wow. Could it really be that people actually take care of their vehicle? I was expecting to see that caked with dirt, at least on the bottom. Look at that! Wow, that's interesting. That's pretty good. I'm pretty happy. Seems like the engine was actually taken care of. You can't say too much about the body panels, though. Okay. Oh, that was great. Wonderful. Good job, Chris. So let's take a gander at the crank. There we go. Taking a gander at the crank, and there we are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change out that screen, and right there is the oil pump. So all that's going to come out. There's nothing really wrong with the oil pump. Oil pump was fine, but I figured I'd just change it out, you know. Better safe, you know, get a new screen in there, all that stuff. So just wanted to show you guys there's the crank. Looks pretty good. Well, figures. Don't even bring out my rig, and I'm already under the car. See, even here, look at that. You know, I'm not getting like a lot of dirt, a lot of grunge, yummy, yummy, yummy. You know, it actually looks pretty good in there. Not bad at all. So we'll get all that stuff set up, get all that done. Whew. Having fun. Oh, those bolts there, those are going to be fun to put back in. There's only 3 of them. That one was a pain. That one over there was a little bit of a pain, but I have to get those 3 from the front. And I think I'll be okay if I can first get them threaded and stuff like that. What I plan to do is hopefully I can get hopefully I can get a thread chaser in there. Tap and die. So get that in there and clean up those holes and stuff like that, and that'll probably help me it'll be a lot easier for me to actually put those bolts back in and won't have to do anything with the dirt and shit. But I got the bolts down here. I'll plan on cleaning those up too and getting those threads nice and clean. So, but that's the update. It's looking pretty good. Here are all the new parts. There's our oil pump. And there's our screen. Cool. So, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, subscribe, share it. You know, we'll do this nice little journey together. And I don't know, I really don't dive into politics too much on my channel, but I may end up doing a video on the government shutdown and how the administration wants to actually kind of keep the parks open with minimal staff, and how people are bringing up, oh, if you do that, you know, people will take advantage of the parks. But we'll get into that later. I might do a video on it, I might not, depends. But and it won't be auto related or anything like that. So I hope you guys all have a good day. Take it easy. Enjoy.